In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Nano future while talking about Nano cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Nano. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Nano value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that Nano is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Nano succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Nano value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Nano and its to-date history. Nano is designated evidence of stake, DPoS, blockchain with coordinated non-cyclic diagrams, DAG, intended to support moment, expense-less installments without offering a vigorous shrewd agreement stage or dependable store of significant worth. Nano focuses on a promoted market specialty by attempting to fabricate a convention to with record exchanges handling speeds, low latencies, and simple versatility. Nano is worked to decentralize responsibility for chain resources fundamentally through a manual human test tackling dispersion occasion without mining rewards or a coin offering. Nano Value Forecast 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the main quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment in little pattern inversions. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 15.44% $0. 7289. 2022 November minus 25.38% $0. 6433, 2022 December minus 24.50% $0. 6508, 2023 January minus 22.87% $0. 6649, 2023 February minus 14.73% $0. 7350, 2023 Blemish, minus 7.66% $0. 7960, 2023 April minus 7.92% $0. 7938, 2023 May, minus 7.03% $0. 8015, 2023 June plus 3.45% $0. 8918, 2023 July plus 7.64% $0. 9279, 2023 August plus 10.75% $0. 9547, 2023 September plus 16.40% $1 Nano Value Forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Nano coming to $1.64 in 2025. What will Nano be worth in 5 years? The cost of Nano in 5 years could lie around $1.54. Nano Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What Nano will be worth in 2030? Our Gwajing model sees Nano coming to $4.09 in 2030. What Nano will be worth in 2040? Our Gwajing model sees Nano coming to $8.19 in 2040. Will Nano supplant/outperform/overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Nano won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Could Nano at any point reach $10? Indeed, Nano could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Might Nano at any point reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Nano to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Might Nano at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Nano to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is Nano worth purchasing? We are supporters of modestly hazardous money management. Put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of large cap coins and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain. Thus, in this unique situation, Nano merits purchasing. Is Nano a wise venture? Nano is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Nano be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.5276. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $4.09 or considerably higher. For what reason will Nano succeed and get more expensive? Nano has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Nano ascending to $4.09 in 2030. For what reason will Nano fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are, group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the task, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of all-around plan showcasing system, losing local area support, expected weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development action on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Nano go? Our determining model sees Nano value detonating and coming to $8.19 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Nano? Nano will reach $0.5276 in the following 90 days, which is a 38.8% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $0.8620. Might Nano at any point make you a mogul? Indeed, assuming you purchase enormous enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become a Nano mogul. In any case, 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto. So a $10,000 interest in Nano could make you a tycoon. Nano value forecast today, what will be the cost of Nano tomorrow? Nano will drift around $0.9347 tomorrow. When to sell and exit Nano? That relies upon your exchanging profile. On the off chance that you have confidence in Nano and think it has a splendid future, holding the coin for basically several years is smart. Taking benefits on wise speculations is a surprisingly better thought. So on the off chance that you are perched on 100 to 200% or significantly more gains on your Nano, changing out a part of the assets is certainly not a terrible move. Is Nano halal to put resources into? Indeed, Nano is a halal speculation. By and large, any coin that isn't connected with liquor, grown-up industry, betting or interest-yielding exercises, through loaning and getting, is considered Muslims.